Okay, well let's Queen Elizabeth Park here. Just going to have a look at the garden over here. Something I do fairly regularly. Looking very nice. Hello. Let's have a look at the Hosking Gardens over here, shall we? Park. I quite often come here for a look because it changes quite regularly. They plant new roses and flowers, and being summer, it kind of looks pretty nice, as you can see here. Hosking Memorial Garden. Beautiful. Look at this. This is amazing. Lots of butterflies and bees. And bumblebees. White butterflies. You name it, really. You can kind of walk around it, of course. Go down the steps and amongst the sunflowers. Beautiful. Hi guys.
Got exactly the same camera.
Have you? You got one of these?
DJI Pocket, that's a good one.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Very cool.
Nice smooth, eh? Smooth
so
footage.
smooth, so perfect. You got the microphone, you got everything.
Yeah, you're being captured right now.
That's it, boom. Here it is.
Oh, look at that. Well done. Goes to show I made the right choice, eh?
Yeah, exactly. yeah, no, it's very good. It's perfect.
Are you just visiting?
Yeah, traveling around.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is my hometown though.
Oh, yeah, nice.
I don't live here, but I'm visiting my family.
Oh,
so,
okay, cool.
yeah. So, yeah, no, it's nice. So, yeah, even though I've lived here for years, I still like coming here every time I come here.
Lovely, it's so cool. Like you see all the, I mean, I guess that's why you hear all the Monarch, the caterpillar and stuff. That's beautiful.
And I've only had this for a while, so you know, I thought I'd come and just do a bit of filming.
It's good to practice a bit.
Capture the beautiful flowers and things. Eh?
Yeah. No, it's super nice.
It is.
Yeah, but it's a lovely city.
It is a good park. Yeah, there used to be an aviary in that over there too for birds, but I'm not sure if it's still there now because I think people keep vandalising it and.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Well, so what does they have?
Like there used to be they used to have like an aviary, for birds.
What is an aviary?
That's a birds, like all these different birds.
Okay,
yeah. but
I think we've seen it over there.
I might still be
no?
there, maybe.
I think we passed in front of Matthias.
Okay.
No, that's the fernery.
There used to be an
There was a
aquarium.
place where okay.
There used to be you go over there and have a look. There might be parts of it there, or might still be there. There used to be like what are the words for it? Birds that walk around on the ground. They open their
Oh, peacocks.
peacocks. It's trying to think of the word. I think people keep vandalising stuff, so they get rid of it after a while.
Such a shame because
Yeah.
this is
It
what
is.
brings the smaller city
Yeah,
like this
yeah,
more attractive
exactly.
and more exciting
Yeah,
for people.
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
it's really
that's
cool.
right.
It was
But
really nice. I was coming here doing a show.
oh, okay.
I'm sick as performer, and so I did a show. Like I was there on the park. It was lovely. So many people.
Yeah. Oh,
such
yeah.
Great
On a
energy,
day like
very
today,
happy.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but have a look over there. Have you been over there yet?
We went for a little bit of a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
just have a little bit of a walk.
Is it just down by the cemetery?
You have to go to the other side of the oval where the cricket oval is, and walk around that side. There's there used to be that. I don't really have time to go there myself today, but if I had more time, I'd go and have a look myself and see if it was still there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too long.
Yeah. Have a walk. Yeah. All right. Well, enjoy
sweet,
the
man.
town, eh?
Yeah,
Where are you guys
enjoy.
from? You guys from?
I live in Wellington, but
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
from
you're
Raglan.
you're from Raglan? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm from Europe. I'm French.
Oh, you're from France. Oh, nice, fantastic. Well, I hope you're having a good time here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm loving it. It's good.
Yeah.
Man.
It's
The
been.
sun is a bit like violent.
Oh,
The sun is just
yeah, it is, eh? It's a burning. We get it really hot here, eh?
burning. I was like, you stay like 5 minutes here under the sun. You're just like.
Yeah. I was sitting outside in the sun with my father earlier, and man, after about 5 minutes, you could really feel it.
Yeah.
Burning
It's
down.
intense.
Yeah, but no, I love it because I come from Wellington, and you get the sun, but it's usually a little bit cooler, windier.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
But over here, it's almost like you're not used to it.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, well, enjoy. And
Enjoy
well,
your
good to
walk,
see you.
yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
keep filming and we'll go from there. See you later. There's plenty of monarch butterflies flying around. You see, this is full of swan plants. Boom. We've got the bowling greens over there. No, what about that one? Okay. All right. Well, okay. I need to keep moving, but it's very nice. Okay. Well, there's a bird over there. It's beautiful. Couldn't really be much better than it is at the moment. Sort of the height of summer, I suppose, so yeah, we kind of had to expect that. Beautiful, as I keep saying. Right, better keep a move on, I guess. Just a hive of life. Alright, well, it's probably enough of Hosking Garden. Keep a move on with my visits.